Once, a young officer wanted to tell a story to some other guys. He asked if there were any ladies around. General Ulysses S. Grant overheard him and said, "There are no ladies here, but there are gentlemen. And if something isn't good enough for a lady to hear, it's not good enough for a gentleman." Some boys have a bad habit of adding improper words to their sentences, thinking it makes them sound more important. But these words don't add anything good to the language. They don't make a sentence sound better or make it clearer. They don't mean anything important, and people who use them should be avoided. Vulgar words are never okay. They don't help anyone learn or improve their manners. They're gross and offensive to decent people. They're harmful to the mind and society, and they're not something a respectable person should ever use. When Coleridge Patterson was a boy at Eton, he loved playing cricket. But at the cricket suppers, they sometimes sang songs that were not appropriate. Coleridge didn't like it, so he told the captain he would leave if they sang those songs. When they didn't listen, he left. The next day, he told the captain he'd quit the club unless they apologized. They did, and Coleridge stayed. His stand showed his character, and everyone admired him for it. No one has to respond to someone who talks in a bad way. Like Stephen A. Douglas said when someone spoke rudely to him, "If it's not something a gentleman should say, then a gentleman doesn't need to answer." And there's no law saying you have to hang out with people who talk badly. It's better to be like Coleridge Patterson and avoid that kind of company.